Damn, 24 weakened me. If I just fought 24, that means you're 25.
God help me.
Even with everything bad that's happened to me, I need to stay strong. Even what life throws in my way, I can endure this. As long as I have love, family, and friends. I have hope. I'll see you in hell, you bastard!
Will I truly have peace?